Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I'm so excited because I'm bringing you a fruit that I really do enjoy, but this year, unfortunately, I only had one fruit, and that fruit is the Darkstar. This is such a delicious fruit. Unfortunately, this trellis was under the pomegranate tree, so it didn't get as much sun. So no sun, no dragon fruit. This was off the vine that was kind of not under the pomegranate tree. With that being said, I had a bountiful harvest of pomegranates, so I'm packing up boxes for the winners of the raffle, and I will be sending out your boxes tomorrow, which is Thursday. I will be sending out your boxes tomorrow, so be on standby to receive the boxes for the winners. So back to the Darkstar. All right, guys, so I have a question you can answer down below. I'm gonna do the long form of this video, which consists of the bricks, the sampling, possibly the weigh-in of this particular fruit. Now the question is, do you want this same form of video for this fruit, which is the ice is yellow? Give me your comment down below, because sometimes I feel like, why would I just do the long version of the video if you guys aren't interested? So I'm gonna ask you guys, are you guys interested in the long form of the videos? If so, put a comment down below. All right, so I'm gonna get into the bricks. No, first of all, we're gonna cut it open and see exactly what it looks like. All right, guys. Look at this beautiful pinkish magenta color. This is the colors that I love to see. This is how you know off the top, 99.9%, this might be total sweetness, deliciousness coming off this dragon fruit. I'm so sad that the season is coming to an end. All right, let's get the brick score on this particular fruit. Guys, the bricks is coming in at a strong 17. I mean, it's coming in at a strong 17. Now, for the most important part of the video. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Whew. This has its own theme music. It goes, I love you for so many reasons. Damn! Top 5 dead or alive. If you've made it this far in the video, why haven't you hit that like, share, and subscribe button yet? It's free. It's your Cali Bro J. You know the motto on the page. Each one teach one. And now let's continue with the video. Peace. From the rooter to the tutor. Oh, man. All right, guys. There you have it. The Darkstar. Top 5 that are alive. You know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one. It's a Cali Bro J, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.